What do you do, y'all? Welcome to another Pocket Options Trading, live trading. Okay, guys. So, um, current balance 266.79. So let's try to make another 5% of these. Okay, so roughly 5% is going to be about $10. Okay, so let's call it $14. So let's see if we can get to $280 today. Okay, so once I reach $300, I will withdraw 1/4 of my balance and continue to play the game. Okay, so let's look for our first trading entry and let's see if we can score this one. Okay, guys, so we got the potential trade over here. So I placed 3 trades, as you can see right here. This was the local top over here and reach another local top. And from here, I believe that the price will have a continuation to the downside. Okay, so I just placed 4 trades on this one. So let's see that if the price continues to go down, we will be able to score on this trade potentially. Lots of red bars right here. MACD showing a potential crossover. So hopefully price will continue to go down and we'll be able to score on these trades. Okay, so I just placed 4 trades. Price is really reacting to this area right here. Let's see how it goes. 19 seconds on the first one. So hopefully price will continue to push down so we can clear these 4 trades. So 5 seconds on the first one. Let's see if we can clear that one. Yes, we did that one. 3 seconds on the second one. We cleared that one. 3 seconds on the second one. We cleared that one, and 10 seconds on the next one. So hopefully we're going to clear this one as well. And yes, we did. Okay. So we just $4 away from our daily target. Do I still believe that this one can go further down? Yes, but I don't want to risk it. Okay. So I do believe that it potentially can come to this local bottom right here. So if I trace a line over here, something like this, I believe that potentially the price might come down to this line right here. Okay, but we don't know, right? So in the meantime, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look around and see if I can find a new trade. Okay, second trade of the day. So we got this one. So we are on a downtrend. We're clearly on a downtrend, but we had this mini pump. But I still believe that the price might have a continuation to the downside and meet this line over here. But at the same time, this might be just a slight pullback and the trend might change. So I just decided to take 2 trades on this one. So let's see how it goes. As you can see right now, it's pumping. So and also we got a crossover in a MACD, so it's not looking good for our 2 trades. In the meantime, that one we took the trade seems like it's having a continuation, and probably from here we'll have a reverse to the upside. Okay, so yeah, this one is going to be a loss. It's pumping, which is not good, right? So we took the wrong trade. Okay, 10 seconds on the first one, 18 seconds on the second one, and seems like we're going to lose these two. Yeah, it sucks. We're down to 270, so let's see how it goes. Yeah, feels like the trend is about to reverse, but everything was indicating a downtrend, so I decided to take a downtrend over there. Okay, but it seems like it's not gonna go that way, and the trends might be reversing. Okay, so I'm gonna keep an eye on this one. In the meantime, let me look for the next trend. Okay, seems like this one just had a dump and it's on the way to the upside. Okay, so I just took a trade to go higher. So let's see the price have a continuation to the upside and it's going to meet this local resistance level over here. Let's take another one here. Another one there. So we got 3 trades over here. So let's see how it goes. Another one. Hopefully price will have a continuation to the upside, keep pumping so we can clear all these trades. So we got 4 trades going right now. So 20 seconds on the first trade. 15 seconds. Everything looks good on the MACD. So we got a crossover. We got lots of green bars. So potentially the price will have a continuation to the upside. So we got 5 seconds on the first trade. We got that one. Cool. All right. It doesn't look good. Okay. 15 seconds on the second one. So let's see how it goes. We still got some clearance to reach this top right here. So we got 1 second. We cleared that one. 5 seconds on the third trade. We clear that one. And if we clear this one, we're gonna reach our target, which is 280 bucks. Okay. And we are there. Okay. So we made some bucks today. So we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About 10 trades. Okay, so we start with 260 bucks or 66 bucks, and yeah, we just made our profits of the day. So 5%. Okay, in a few minutes. Okay, so when did we start it? 9:24, 9:34. So in 10 minutes, we made 10 bucks. Okay. So then again, probably I was lucky to find this currency pair. Maybe, maybe not. But the fact of the matter is, we just made our daily target, which was 5%, or probably a little bit more. But it's all good. So in the meantime, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap this video up because I'm done. Oh, I just missed this one. Ah, damn it. Yes, as you can see right here, it was doing higher highs, and I draw this line right here just because when the price came over here, I was like, okay, from here we'll have a pullback, and then we'll continue to bounce back up. So if you draw a line over here, we can see that when the price reaches this line, potentially we're going to have a continuation to the upside. Everything is showing that we are in an uptrend, so the price is above the 100 SMA, so we are in an uptrend, so we can see we're doing higher highs and also higher lows. So potentially this one right here will be a really good trade, right? But at the same time, we already reached our daily target, which was 5% or making 280 or reach 280 bucks balance. Okay, so I'm quite happy with that. So I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm not gonna take the risk for today. It's enough. So probably tomorrow. Tomorrow is what? Friday. Tomorrow, Friday, I'll come back and try to make it to 300 bucks. So okay. So tomorrow, if I make it to 300 bucks, then I will be withdrawing 75 bucks, leave 225, and roll the dice again. Okay, so yeah, guys, that's it. I'm gonna wrap this video up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.